Hello, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be making press-on nails, and of course I am learning as I go, so you will be able to see some of the mistakes I did. But let's get started.
Okay, so the first thing you want to do is size your nails, and once you do that, you're going to file off the shine. At first I wasn't sure what design I was going to go for, but I just went along with it, and then I ended up choosing just random little designs to do my nail set. I'll be using a nail kit that I got from Amazon. The brand is Makartt. They're really great. After filing off the shine, what you want to do now is apply your base coat. You don't have to make it very thick, just brush it on very evenly and then cure it in the lamp. In the nail kit, it also includes a surface cleanser, which is pretty much alcohol you use to remove the stickiness of the nail right now after the base coat. Now I'm applying gel glue so I can attach all my nail art. Now is the time to apply the liquid gel, and I'll be using the light purple and pink. So here's how it's looking so far, and I went ahead and cured the first layer of the liquid gel. And I'll do a second layer of the liquid gel. like so far after the second cure. Now I'll be applying the clear liquid gel so we can encapsulate all the nail art. After curing the nails, now we can file them down. Now I'm applying more gel glue so I can attach all my nail art. To apply more clear liquid gel so we can encapsulate our nail art. After I applied the clear liquid gel, I cured it for 60 seconds and then I'm going to apply top coat to all my nails. Then you'll need to cure for another 60 seconds and then get some of the alcohol to remove the stickiness. And here's my final result. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, go ahead and drop them down below and I'll be more than gladly to answer to them.